Hey everyone feeling under the weather, we've all been there. Headaches, runny noses, sore throats, that annoying blocked nose, fever, and muscle aches. These are the classic signs of a common cold or flu. Most of us recover within a week or two, but why suffer when you can get relief faster? Mild cold symptoms might just be a blocked nose, a slight sore throat, and a low temperature. But heavier colds or the flu can bring body pain, muscle aches, headaches, and sinus pressure. It's also important to remember that many cold and flu symptoms, like a persistent cough or fever, can overlap with COVID-19, so stay vigilant. First up, and arguably most crucial, hydration. Drinking plenty of water is vital for everything your body does, from producing saliva to flushing out waste. Regular sips of water can soothe your throat, thin out mucus, and reduce coughing. Aim for about 8 glasses of fluid a day, and yes, that includes your coffee and tea. For a sore throat or cough, try a salt water gargle. This saline solution helps clear excess mucus, provides temporary relief, and can even stop coughing. It's generally recommended for adults only, so keep this in mind. When your throat is raw, stick to soft foods. And here's a trick. Colder foods like iced lollies or even boiled sweets can create a suction action that helps clear irritation. For coughs, 2 teaspoons of honey in hot water can be surprisingly effective, sometimes even more so than over-the-counter cough medicines. Over-the-counter options like paracetamol and ibuprofen are great for pain relief. Always consult a chemist before taking them and read the leaflet. Medicated lozenges with antiseptics can also help. For intense pain, local anesthetic sprays or lozenges containing ingredients like benzocaine can numb your throat, but be careful with hot drinks as they can reduce your sensitivity. Dealing with a blocked or runny nose, a saline rinse is your best friend. This salt water solution, similar to the gargle, clears mucus, reduces inflammation, and removes irritants, making breathing much easier. A blocked nose isn't just mucus, it's often swollen blood vessels fighting infection. You can use saline rinses as often as needed, and pre-made solutions are readily available. Nasal decongestants can offer quick relief, but be cautious. Using them for more than 5 to 7 days can cause rebound congestion, making things worse. They can also interact with other medicines and aren't suitable for those with heart problems without professional advice. For a natural approach, vapor rubs with eucalyptus or menthol or steam inhalation can help open airways and ease breathing. When headaches, muscle aches, and fever strike, rest is paramount. Give your body time to recover. Paracetamol and ibuprofen are excellent for pain and are also antipyretics, meaning they help bring down a fever, which is anything above 38 degrees Celsius. Always check with a healthcare professional before taking them. Hydration is key here too, as your body loses more water when fighting a fever, and dehydration can cause headaches. Wear loose, comfortable clothes to help your body regulate its temperature. While fans and AC can make you feel cooler, they primarily reduce surface temperature, not necessarily your internal fever. A few things to avoid: alcohol dehydrates you, widens blood vessels, and suppresses your immune system. Don't skip meals. Maintaining steady blood sugar prevents headaches. And limit screen time. Excessive use can strain your eyes and trigger headaches. Take breaks. Most colds and flus resolve on their own. Know when to seek help. If you're in a vulnerable group, if your symptoms suddenly worsen, or if you have a very high temperature with shivering or chills, contact a healthcare professional. If a cold hasn't improved after 3 weeks or the flu after 7 days, it's time to call your doctor. And trust your gut. If something just doesn't feel right, don't hesitate to reach out. There you have it, your comprehensive guide to tackling colds and flu fast. If this video helped you feel better, hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and share it with someone who needs quick relief. And remember, always consult a healthcare professional if you have concerns.